Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So, HP Spectre x360 15, boys, it's gorgeous from the trimmed down bezels to the buffed up graphic. The Spectre x360 15 might be the best laptop to beat in 2020 HP plan. HP actually launched the Spectre x360 15 in March to starting price $1,500. HP Spectre x360 15 2020. First of all, we're talking about the design of this laptop. The HP Spectre x360 retained the same luxury design with its stunning dark ash silver hood combined with its mesmerizing copper luxury accent. It still supports the same sleek diamond cut edge, but now the footprint is smaller than ever. Operating it up revealed a shorter deck with incredible thin bezels on the display, but the keyboard remained intact, remaining as big as it was before. The Spectre x360 is 13% smaller than the previous model, and now it boasts a 90% screen to body ratio. The HP Spectre x360, I think it's the best looking consumer laptop in 2020. So now talking about the port of this HP Spectre x360 15, with some ports as before, stringing along a power jack in HDMI port, a headphone jack, two Thunderbolt 3 ports, one USB type A port, a privacy camera killer switch, and micro SD card slot. HP Spectre x360. Now talking about the display, once again the Spectre x360 come with a gorgeous 15.6-inch 4K OLED panel, but this time you have an option between a normal screen and one with the anti-reflection glass. The anti-reflection glass did a good job of reducing the glare in person, but at the cost of brightness. I still prefer the original panel despite the glare. Now talking about the keyboard and touches of the HP Spectre x360 15. Keyboard felt the same as the previous model, as it was pleasantly clicky and offered neatly spaced out keys. The matte palm rest was also soft and comfortable to use. The touchpad was smooth to the touch, but it still did not feel as a premium as some of the ones in EliteBook series like. However, it was still responsive to my gestures. The HP Spectre x360 15 now full specs. The HP Spectre x360 can come back with up to 10th generation Comet Leica Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, plus 2 gigabytes of Intel Optina memory, a 4K OLED display, and the latest Nvidia graphic. This machine is also slated to come with a Wi-Fi 6 and a Bluetooth 5 for more seamless connectivity. On top of that, the Spectre x360 is also come with an IR webcam for Windows Helio, which will allow you to easily sign into your laptop simply by walking up to it. Now talking about the Spectre x360 15 battery life, HP claimed the Spectre x360 will go up for 17 hours of battery life, which is insane of proven to be accurate, as the previous HP Spectre x360 lasted 7 hours and 46 minutes on a charge. The company explained that it is using a low wattage OLED panel to account for the excess battery consumption from the 4K display. No worries that the actual display did not seem to be compromised when I saw the person, as it is still plenty bright and colorful. The HP Spectre x360 15 is supported pen as well, and the laptop available in the Best Buy. Link for buying in the description. Starting price is $1,599. And so guys, let me know in the comment section about the HP Spectre x360 15 2020 laptop, and also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos and smartphone comparison and more gadgets reviews. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.